In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Discord AFK channel for voice chat. An AFK, or away from keyboard channel, is a useful feature that helps keep your Discord server organized by automatically moving inactive members out of active voice channels. This prevents idle users from remaining in conversations when they've stepped away from their computers, and makes it easier for everyone else to see who's currently available. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an AFK voice channel and configure Discord so it automatically moves inactive members after a set period of time. To get started, open Discord and navigate to the server where you'd like to enable this feature. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to manage this server since these settings aren't available to regular members. Once you're inside the server, create a new channel by selecting the Create Channel option. When the channel creation window appears, enter a clear and recognizable name for the new channel. A simple name such as AFK works well because members will immediately understand its purpose. Before creating the channel, make sure the channel type is set to voice. This is important because Discord can only move inactive members into a voice channel, not a text channel. Once everything looks correct, create the channel. Next, open your server settings by clicking the server name and selecting Server Settings. In the menu on the left, locate the Engagement section. This area contains several server features that affect how members interact with your community, including the settings for inactive voice channel management. Inside the Engagement section, look for the Inactive Channel option. By default, this setting may display no inactive channel. Click the drop-down menu and select the AFK voice channel you created a moment ago. This tells Discord exactly where inactive members should be moved whenever they remain idle in a voice channel for too long. Directly below that, you'll find the Inactive Timeout setting. This determines how long someone can remain inactive before Discord automatically transfers them to the AFK channel. Open the timeout menu and choose the duration that best fits your server's needs. A 1-hour timeout is a practical starting point because it gives members enough time to remain quietly connected without being moved too quickly, while still keeping your voice channels organized over longer periods. Once you've selected the timeout duration, the setting is automatically applied. From that point forward, Discord will monitor voice channel activity and move inactive members into the designated AFK channel whenever they reach the selected timeout. To help avoid confusion, consider mentioning your server's AFK policy in your server rules or within a channel topic so members understand why they may be moved automatically. With your AFK channel now configured, your voice channels will stay cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage as your community continues to grow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.